good morning on travel for a holiday, but I'm taking the bus instead of driving. Petrol is very expensive. And the parking is very expensive too. Better take this bus because I am free. Yeah, I have free rides. Yeah. Being a gold card holder, I have the privilege to have free tickets. So, and that's the sun, guys. The sun is shining. Sunrise. Yeah. There are only few passengers buses in Australia. Most buses are government owned bus, so it is really good service with toilet,